My name is Caitlin Dilsner, and I'm a marketing student at Edwards School of Business. I was in Brno, Czech Republic at Maastricht University, and the course was called The Birthplace of Modernity. So it was focused on architecture, sociology, and history in Central Europe. It was a 3-week course. It was a summer program in July, and there was about 40 students that were in the trip with me. There was 20 students from Hong Kong and 20 students from mainland China. What I loved about it is that we'd learn about Vienna and the architecture of Vienna, and then we went to Vienna and saw all the buildings and architecture. So rather than just reading about it in a textbook, we got to see the buildings, experience the culture. It was just a lot more memorable. I did a lot of solo traveling. I was in London for a week by myself before the trip. I booked a last-minute trip to Budapest 5 hours before the bus left. It was amazing. That's probably my favorite city that I went to, was Budapest. It was just such a last-minute, spontaneous adventure that really just encaptured my whole trip. I was in the other side of the world, having to ask people in another language. And you know, people try and people are kind, and if you just put your best foot forward, people will respond to that. And that's helped me in my classes to be able to relate to people more and not be afraid of, you know, the cultural differences, that there's really no difference between us. We're all in the same boat here. People should really study abroad because you only get these opportunities once in life. It's not something that, you know, when you're down in your career, you can't just get up and leave for a month. ISSAC was awesome. They have so much funding available that it was really affordable. And it really wasn't a scary experience going to Europe because, you know, there's someone here at the university that's here to help you. There's someone in the Czech Republic university that's there to help you. I think you really just got to take these opportunities, even if they seem a bit crazy, and just go for it with open arms because you'll learn so much and it will help you down the road.